If you don't have money, if you don't have the right environment, if you don't have anyone around you to help you, if you don't have a good mentor, still you can learn English. I'm a living example of that. When I started my journey, I didn't have any of these things, but I didn't let it stop me. I kept going. I worked on myself. That's why I can speak English. I had a strong mindset. If you are thinking that I don't have this one, I don't have that one, please stop making lame excuses. You are truly willing to change your life, you must take action. Try to make some good initiative so that you can make yourself valuable. There is no one who can help you. There is no one who can guide you. You have to guide yourself. You have to take your own responsibility. I'm making this video just to inspire you because I was in a situation where nothing was happening in my life. But now I can proudly say that something is happening. So you want to change your life, so you have to change your mind. If you change your mind, so you can change your life.